are going to be doing a review on 2 tractors because we've been doing a lot on dump trucks, like those dump trucks over there. So this right here is one of our Case IH Maxim 125s. These are so reliable. Let's hop in here. Got a nice buddy seat for when I'm, planting or baling hay. Or here you got your shifter to shift up, shift down. Got your bale monitor. This is a clutch start tractor. I don't really want to start it right now though. It is extremely cold out. As you can see, very nice tractor. Over there you got some gauges about your oil temperature and how much gas you have. Diesel. And there, the caution axle bars. Does anyone care at all? Nope. So, now that we're done with this tractor, oh yeah, that's something I need to say. The reason they said that, because this sticks out that much. Really, oh yeah. Got your hydraulics back here. Ooh, that shouldn't be open. And then you got your hookup thing and your 3-point hitch. Oh, 2-point. Huh, somebody took the 3-point off. And then this tractor has DEF fluid and diesel. So, nice tractors. Nice tractor, I should say. So, if we just go around this tractor, here it has 800 pounds on the front, right here. Nice looking tractor. Right next to it, parked, as you can see, extremely close, is our Case IH MX255. This is our biggest tractor with 255 horsepower. Let's get in it. This is an older tractor, not a newer one. Oh, it smells in here. As you can see, got way more space than the 125. And if you notice, this one has duals all the way around. Nice and loaded around. This one doesn't have the thing there. It has it on the floor to move your steering wheel there. You got park, forward, neutral, and reverse. Shift up, shift down. And then you got your AC units over here. And wipers. Real nice tractor. And then you got your buddy seat. In all our tractors, we literally have a buddy seat because I'm the one who's in it all the time. And then, as you can see, there's our more trucks over there, like I showed you before. So, I should have a video coming up at some point about me feeding our cows. I'm not sure. Big gas tank. Yep. And that is a review of our 2 tractors. We have more. A 125 with 125 horsepower and an MX255 with 255 horsepower.